What's up, tech enthusiasts? It's your boy from All About AI Tech back with another mind-blowing topic. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of the human brain and the insane challenges of mapping it. Strap yourselves in, because things are about to get wild. Imagine trying to map every single neuron, every connection in the human brain. It sounds impossible, right? Well, scientists recently tackled a tiny piece of that puzzle by fully mapping just 1 cubic millimeter of brain tissue. That's like 1/1,000,000th of the entire brain. You'd think it wouldn't be a big deal, right? Wrong. This tiny brain sample took up a whopping 1.4 petabytes of data. That's 14,000 4K movies worth of information. To put that into perspective, all of the photos on Facebook only take up about 1.5 petabytes. Now, think about scaling that up to the entire human brain. We're talking 1.6 zettabytes. That's like 1.6 billion terabytes. It's enough to make your head spin. Storing that much data would require a ridiculous amount of hard drives. We're talking billions of dollars worth. Not to mention the cost of servers, power, cooling, and a building large enough to house it all. We're talking about a data center larger than most cities. It's mind-boggling. To give you a clearer picture, we're talking about a data center that's bigger than the largest ones on Earth right now. It would be like combining Google, Microsoft, and Amazon's data centers, and then some. It's unfathomable. So, how did scientists map this tiny piece of brain tissue in the first place? They used some seriously cutting-edge technology. First, they sliced the brain sample into 5,000 incredibly thin wafers, thinner than a human hair. Then, they used a powerful electron microscope to take detailed images of each slice. Putting those images back together to reconstruct the 3D structure of the brain was a massive task. And that's where Google's AI came in. Their advanced machine learning algorithms helped map out all the neural connections, saving researchers countless hours of manual work. What did they discover? Well, for starters, they found over 50,000 cells and 150 million synapses. Those are the connection points between neurons. Imagine the complexity. Beyond the sheer numbers, they uncovered some fascinating secrets about the brain that we never knew before. For instance, some cell clusters were found to grow in mirror images of each other. And one neuron was found to have over 5,000 connections to other neurons. Talk about a social butterfly. These are just a few of the mind-blowing discoveries that have scientists excited about the future of brain research. Leading researchers, like Harvard professor Jeff Lichtman, say these findings highlight the vast gap between what we know about the brain and what we still need to uncover. It's like we've just scratched the surface. But here's the thing, guys. Do we really need to map the entire brain to start unlocking its potential? Elon Musk clearly thinks not. His company Neuralink is already developing brain-computer interfaces that could revolutionize how we interact with technology. And guess what? Neuralink has already begun rolling out to early adopters. They're already working on helping people with paralysis regain control of their limbs and enabling direct communication with computers using just their thoughts. It's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine the possibilities. Communicating without speaking, controlling devices with your mind, accessing information instantly. It's a whole new world of potential just waiting to be explored. And it's happening right now. So, while mapping the entire brain might be a monumental and perhaps ultimately unnecessary task, companies like Neuralink are proving we can achieve incredible breakthroughs without having it all figured out. That's all for today, folks. I hope this mind-bending journey into the world of brain mapping and AI has left you as amazed as I am. What do you think about Neuralink's approach? Is mapping the entire brain necessary? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content like this. Until next time, keep those brains sharp and stay curious.